Hi, I am Harshini doing composting. I will take a medium sized container as compost bin. It should have few holes at the bottom. We will require dry leaves, vegetable and fruit peels from kitchen waste, sour buttermilk, tea or coffee grounds. I will start now. At first, I will put dry leaves as first layer. Then put vegetable and fruit peels as next layer. Then pour sour buttermilk. Then put coffee grounds. Then repeat adding layers until the bin is filled. We have made holes for air to pass in and out of the bin. We will pour buttermilk because microorganisms present in it help in composting. This is compost from my previous batch, which I will sprinkle little bit. Lastly, close the lid. Keep it away from sunlight and rain for 30 days. Compost manure will be ready to provide for the plants.